Okay. All right, guys. You were just at the Art and Science of Love. What was your experience like this weekend?
Well, I had a lot of fun, actually. I thought it was a great opportunity for us to find ways to work on our relationship and how to connect and break through some of the harder things that we deal with from time to time. And yeah, and it's been an awesome weekend away from the kids.
Right on.
Nice.
Yes.
And for me, I thought it was really insightful, and I think in general there were so many times of these epiphanies of ways to change a conversation or change a dialogue or change
Without changing each other.
not changing each other, right? And it's like, of a way to sort of reframe something or think about it differently and see the other person's perspective and feelings, and even thinking, I think a big part of it was like, wait, instead of this being something to fight about, it's really a focus on emotions and how important that is to really hone in on. But I also think, one thing that was so well done was just a good mixture of times to connect and times to learn and study, and then times to dig in and ask questions. And it was just very well done and well structured.
Very good.
Definitely.
Thank you, guys. And
Thank you.
the speakers were good.
Oh, excellent. Top
You could
notch.
tell, we said to each other last night, it was like, this is one of those times where you can definitely tell how your experience of the weekend really could depend on the speakers and on the leaders, and we could really tell that
You're
Lawrence
very
and Darren
well
had
prepared.
done it a lot, and that just, you're just there and you're vulnerable and you're open and funny and witty and a way to set the tone where it's a big topic, but it didn't ever feel heavy. It didn't ever feel like a burden.
Interesting.
Yeah, and it was very inclusive, and I have a friend back home that I will be telling, it's time, you should check it out, you should do it.
Yes, I'm going to tell my sister. I wish my parents had done this
I'm going to sell it
several
to my
times.
brother-in-law.
Yes, it was wonderful. Definitely
Great.
the best thing you could do for your marriage, and I want to come back.
We'll come back.
We'll come back.
Awesome. Thank you guys so
Thank you.
much.
Sorry, we're chatty.